got those pockets, baby. You know I ain't messing with no broke man.
So my sister came back from Japan and got me a bunch of stuff. I asked her to buy me vitamin C. This is the best vitamin C. I've been using it for years. I think I've been using it for about 5 years now. It really helps with pigmentation and acne scarring. I also did my nails, but one fell off. I got 2 of these. Also asked her to buy me tone-up sunscreen. I think that was everything I requested. I also asked for mints because one of my biggest fears is having bad breath. And these are pocket size and so small and very potent. The moment you eat one, the bad odor gone. You know how sometimes you eat or you talk to someone and you want to talk like this because killer. No more bad breath. She got me 12 of these, one for each month. Strawberry, grape, mint, lime, catapiece, crystal silver. These ones are good, very thin, easy to share. You can even put it in your wallet. Pink, clear, mild, black. And this one I'm excited to try. It's lemon ginger, vitamin C, and it has a voice soothing effect. Got a cute little bear charm that I'm gonna put on my Trader Joe's bag. Look how cute that'd be. Shiba socks, Shiba origami paper. Bear lettering set, Pochaco lettering set, 3D clear and white nail gel, bear envelopes, Pochaco hair clips, how cute. So cute. Mini Daiso Petite Blocked and Real Pillowcase. 2 Mediheel sheet masks. This one is so cute. I'm gonna bring it to my next concert. It's a Pochaco pants skirt attachment. It attaches like this. And then you clip it back on. So it's pretty secure. I'm gonna put it on my outfit, little IDs, cards. I'm excited. Bear stickers, nail charms. I'm missing a nail charm. Stray Kids bookmarks because I like to read. Peel off top coat pen. Muji chocolate covered strawberries are the best.